Today, I'm going to show you how you can bring in high quality leads for your smart home installation business consistently and effectively. Whether you're a solo installer or a growing business, lead generation is the lifeblood of your business. And trust me, there's a smarter way to do it in 2024. Stick around because I'll walk you through some proven methods and show you why AI powered lead generation is the ultimate tool for scaling. If you want to get ahead and start implementing this strategy, there's a link in the description where you can book a call with me to see how we can actually set this up for your business. Let's start with the basics. Most smart home installers rely on traditional methods to get clients. Think of things like word of mouth, local ads, and social media. Now, these methods can work, but they're very inconsistent. The problem, for example, with word of mouth is that it is very unpredictable and also very salesy, since you are constantly asking your clients to refer their friends. Local ads are usually quite expensive when compared to the results that they bring. This makes them quite ineffective when compared to the price that you pay for them. Social media is the most cost-effective way to get clients, but most businesses don't know how to have their own social media brand that actually helps them grow. You may get a few clients in 1 month and then it drives up the next. The biggest issue with traditional lead gen is that it is very unpredictable and it doesn't scale well. So if you're serious about growing your client base, you need a reliable and a scalable strategy. One that doesn't just bring in leads, but also nurtures and qualifies them, so you're only spending time on the hottest prospects. And that's where modern techniques come in. Now, let's look at some modern lead gen techniques. These platforms, Google and Facebook specifically, have revolutionized the way we market because they actually let you target a specific audience with a targeted message. You can pretty much run ads that are laser focused on people who are actually interested in smart home technology and are looking to install some systems in their homes. But here's the thing, digital ads alone aren't just enough. To make these ads work, you need a system that captures the leads, follows up with them, and educates them on why your service is the best. In 2024, it's not enough to just run ads, so you also need to nurture the leads with your content so they consider you an authority in the space. After building your brand and getting some leads, qualification and appointment setting comes in. This is usually very time consuming since most people are just shopping around and they will waste your time without even paying you. And that's where AI powered lead generation comes into play. So why would you even use AI for lead generation? Well, with AI, you're automating the process from the very start. Picture this, someone clicks on your ad and enters their contact info. Instead of leaving them hanging, an AI agent instantly reaches out to them, usually via a text or a phone call. This AI agent can answer basic questions, qualify them, and even send an appointment directly into your calendar. With this strategy, what we are basically doing is we are keeping the nurturing side of the lead generation. We are still educating them before hopping on a sales call, but instead of wasting time qualifying and setting the appointment, the AI agent does it all for you in less than 5 minutes of the lead actually completing the form. With this approach, you're not only capturing leads but also warming them up, educating them about your services, and making sure they're serious before they even talk to you. This is a game changer, and it's what turns random online visitors into high quality leads. Now, here's how this can look in your business and a few action steps you can take to implement this process. Like I said, before doing anything, you must have traffic or else nothing will work. To get traffic, there are two main ways that work together, running ads and building your brand. These go hand in hand because running ads will get you new leads and building a brand will maintain, qualify, and nurture them, all while lowering the cost over time. After getting the leads, you have to nurture them. This is done by posting educational content where they can learn about the value you provide. This type of value you'll offer will make you an authority within your niche. When getting these leads, of course, you'll have to talk to them. This is actually very important since this is the conversion part of it all, where a lead actually converts into a client. Best way to improve this is to contact the lead within 1 hour of them completing the form. After this, only thing you have to do is to close them and you'll have new clients. Now, this obviously is quite a long and tedious process that takes quite some time to dial in, but if you want to take that easy route and have it all done for you, from the lead generation to the follow-ups to the AI appointment setter and all of our systems, then click the link below to book a free implementation call where we'll show you how to implement the system specifically for you for free.